Hello everyone, how have you been enjoying the Black Friday event at CraftStash? Well, I've got another day jam-packed of new offers for you. So let's get started straight away. Now today's featured deal is bargains for under a tenner. Now yesterday we had our under a fiver sale and that is still continuing, but we've got some more products now in our under a tenner sale. So everything under £10. So we've also got then Papercraft Society. I know you all wait for these offers. This is 50% off of all Papercraft Society boxes. Can't say fairer than that. Go and see what stock is still available because these do fly out ever so quickly. Now we've also got our Creative Craft Products storage sale. There's lots of different storage solutions for you to check out and there's big savings on those too. Now all of these items that I'm telling you about can be found on our website. That's www.craftstash.co.uk or craftstash.us. Now we've also got a Sukaniko sale. Now these are your inks and accessories, so you're going to get amazing offers on those as well. And Craft Consortium. Craft Consortium is 50% off of their products too. And one last offer, Sheena. We have got amazing deals on Sheena products too. Now everything that I'm telling you about doesn't include your VIP 10% off discount too. So if you are not a VIP member, it's worth signing up before you go purchasing any products. But if not, enjoy your discounts, enjoy your double points and enjoy your priority dispatch also. There will be even more offers added on Sunday and on Monday. Everything is going to be on offer until the end of Cyber Monday. So take advantage of those. Go and check out from the details below and enjoy your Black Friday weekend.